this is the best video for you if you don't like to wait and don't want to devote hours of your time to make money online. Today, I'm going to show you a brand new website that you've never seen before, that is also available worldwide, and that will pay you well for doing very little work. With that stated, if any of you are interested in another way to generate money online in order to maximize your results, please click on the first link below in the description. You'll get access to tools that can help you make a lot of money online. And with that said, let's get started on this tutorial. And before we proceed, I would appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell so that you won't miss out any of my future videos. As you can see, I've moved over to Google.com, which is the first website I'll require you to visit. What you'll want to do on Google right now is look for free courses. They can be related to almost anything. The only need is that the specialty in which your course is offered is well known. At the very least, it will enable you to generate more money in the long run, as you shall see in a moment. But, as I previously stated, you want to find some free courses in a specific category. I typed in online marketing free courses, and if any of you are looking for business courses, type in free business courses, and so on. You get the idea. What you want to do now is open up several of these pages and see which one you think is the greatest and genuinely offers free courses. Make sure to double check that because it's important. By the way, if you notice advertisements at the top of the website, ignore them. They are not free. In my case, I opened this website, which you can use if you want, and it's called Alison.com. What I discovered on here is that they do offer free courses, so I double-checked to make sure it was legitimate. And as you can see, this course is available for free, indicating that this platform does actually offer free courses, which makes it ideal to use. What I want you to do now is go to docs.google.com and create a new blank document by clicking right here. And you'll want to add something along the lines of congratulations. You can grab your free class here in that blank document, followed by the link to the website you choose. As you can see, because the site I'm using is about marketing, I typed in online marketing free courses, and then left the website's link. If some of you want online business courses or something similar, you should type that in instead. Keep in mind that you can write more about the course itself, and you can include extra information in here if you want, as you'll see later, and this could potentially make you more money. However, it is not required, which is why I did not do it myself. The next step is to save this document to your computer. To do so, first click on File here, then hover your mouse over Download, and choose your preferred file format. You have the option of using a PDF document or a Docs document. I used the Docs format as an example. And now that you've done all of that, and you've downloaded that file to your PC, it's time for me to show you a website that we'll be using today that will not only pay you, but will also make everything a lot easier for you. I know many of you are puzzled as to why we did what we did, but you will see why in a few minutes. Anyway, the website in question is called dlupload.com, and the first thing you'll notice when you visit it is that it's all about share files and earn money. The way it works is that you upload a file to this website, they give you a link that takes people to the file, and allows them to download it, and you earn money every time someone clicks on your link. Because this site gets money from ad revenue, they will pay you for people simply clicking on a link to your file. So, when someone clicks on your link, they will first view a bunch of advertising before being able to download the file, and the ad revenue will be split between you and the website, and this is essentially how this platform works and how you will make money from it. And as far as these types of websites go, sites that pay you every time someone downloads one of your files. This one, in my opinion, is one of the best. It has strong security, unlimited speed, and offers 250 gigabytes of storage, which is insane to say the least. In addition, they pay more than many comparable sites, and this platform works worldwide as I will show you. If you go to this page and click on Payout Rates, you'll be able to see how much money you'll make every 1,000 downloads of your file, as well as the fact that it's available worldwide. As you can see on the following page, if 1,000 people from the United States United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and a few other countries download your file, you will receive $7. If people from Germany, the Netherlands, Norway, Spain, Sweden, and other countries download your file, you'll receive $6. So you can see that this is available all over the world, as all of these countries are accepted, and you can also see that they pay fairly well. Yes, $7 per 1,000 downloads isn't much, but it's better than other sites, and more importantly, I'll show you how to generate thousands of clicks on your link quickly. Before we go any further, it's worth noting that you can see the vast array of payment options available on this platform right here on this page. PayPal, Payoneer, Isua, Paytm, WebMoney, UPI, and Bitcoin, so they also have crypto-based payment methods, which many of you will love. Anyway, now that you know what this website is and all of the amazing features it has to offer, let me show you what you should do next. To make a new account, first click here to register. Next, to sign up, input a bunch of information about yourself, such as your email address, country of residence, and so on. When you log in, this is how your account will look like. You'll be able to upload files and get their URLs to make money online. And as many of you guessed a while back, we'll want to upload that file we downloaded from Google Docs where we're promoting free courses. To do so, simply click the plus icon here and select the file from your computer. When you do that, you'll be able to grab its link, and this file here is something that a lot of people would want to download because it gives them access to free online courses. This makes it that much easier to get people to click on your link and download the file, and all you need now is a reliable traffic source to get clicks on your link so you can make money online. Answers.com is a fantastic website that I would recommend for this purpose. This is a community-based website where people can visit to get answers to their queries on anything from science to math to health and fitness. Basically, you can find an answer to anything on this site. So when you come on here, the first thing you should do is write in a query about your niche in the search bar. For example, if you're interested in online marketing, you should type in how to do online marketing, and so on. The reason is that you want to find people who have asked a question about your niche, since those people are likely to be interested in free courses that teach them that specific skill, which is why answers are so powerful. In my case, I'd search for questions about online marketing, and when I do, I'd answer all of them with things like these online courses helped me a lot, and so on. You'll want to leave answers similar to that, and you'll want to leave as many as you can, and you'll be able to earn money as a passive income from it. What's more, this website is viewed by almost 8 million people on a monthly basis, which is important for us. This implies you have the opportunity to make a lot of money on this website by promoting a file you created a while ago by answering questions about your niche. More significantly, you'll only be able to advertise it for a few days and get passive income from it. This is possible because your answer will remain on this site forever, and because people seek answers to questions all the time, your answer could potentially be seen months later. As a result, this is a great way to earn money while you sleep. If you're interested in learning more about making money online, you might want to check the link in the description down below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you appreciated this video. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. As always, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.